Welcome back to another edition of Doing It with Dish. Today I'm out in my little potato patch. Time for me to dig up my potatoes. It's that time of the year. So I plant potatoes every year because of a story I heard when I was a kid. The potato farmer told me when he was a little kid, he saw the biggest potato he's ever seen. The potato was so long it wouldn't even fit in a bushel basket. That potato was grown by my great-grandpa on this property. So every year I gotta plant potatoes, maybe just in the hope I'll grow one that big someday. I normally plant just Yukon Golds, and I always get really nice potatoes here. Soil's good. So I got more digging to do here, get them all up. But I was just thinking, let's load the cameras in the car. Let's take a ride. Let's go to the Sagola area. The Johnson Potato Farm is located there. They're harvesting potatoes. Let's go watch how the professionals do it. Let's get after it. All right, so I made it to the field. Right now we're in eastern Iron County. Behind me they're harvesting potatoes. Hopefully I can get some good shots today. Kind of show you what the harvesting process is all about. Okay, so what we're looking at here are the actual rows of undug potatoes. Now the first thing in the harvesting process is a pre-digger. That pre-digger is going to come along. It's going to dig up 4 rows of potatoes, digs them up, conveys them over into an undug row. Digger comes the main harvester, and that main harvester also takes 4 rows of potatoes, but it's also digging the 4 rows the pre-digger put there. So it's digging 8 rows, digs them up, separates the rocks and the vines out, conveys them in to the trucks to get hauled to the warehouse. Let's watch that harvester do its thing. Alright, so this is what they're after right here. A Russet Burbank potato. A lot of good French fries in this one right here. Let's get back to watching the harvest. potato field. We're gonna follow the next truck back towards Sagola to the warehouse. We'll watch a truck getting unloaded, putting them in the warehouse, stacking them up. Time to move out. Well, that's it for the warehouse. I got my little potato here I took this morning. There's a little bar in Sagola called the Ace of Clubs. Maybe they'll make it into French fries for me. I'll see. And if anybody needs potatoes, Johnson Potato Farm. Stop in. Get some great potatoes. All right, we've made it down to the Ace of Clubs, little bar in Sagola. Got my potato. They're gonna make me fries out of it. You know it's gonna be good. Well, here they are. Johnson potatoes, freshly dug, freshly cooked. Next time you're in Sagola, stop by the Ace of Clubs. Get some great fries and cold beer. Thanks for watching.